Here we have already imported and computed our dataset by using an import from text file task. Now, drag a data manager task onto the stage to get a better look at your data. As you can see, there are multiple rows for each order. But we would like to have one single row for each specific order, so the reshape to wide task gets in the game. Now compute the data manager task. Drag a reshape to wide task and double-click to open it. Drag the order ID onto the Key Attributes edit box to have a single row for each order. The order ID will be our key attribute. Drag the product ID onto the Long Attributes edit box to see the IDs of the products in each quantity column. Drag the quantity onto the Widened Attributes edit box to create separate columns for each quantity. Save and compute the task. Drag and drop another data manager task. There is now a row for each order, and a column for each quantity, with the corresponding product ID attribute in the quantities column headers.